Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, tutorials, reviews, hauls, and pretty much everything with makeup. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating one of Made You looks. And so this is kind of like a left out in the cold, kind of frozen vibe look. I thought it was really cool and I wanted to attempt it as I am doing a Christmas series on my Instagram. My Instagram will pop up right here and it is also in my description box below, and I would love it if you guys would check it out after this tutorial. Throughout the video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and check out the other videos that I put out on the sides at the end of this video. All the products will be listed somewhere in the video, most likely in my descriptions, and let's hop into it. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking some Mehron Paradise paint. This is just in the white shade, and we're going to be taking this to our face, neck, and chest and making it pretty thin. We don't want it to be like stark white. We want it to be like really blended out. So I'm going to do that first. Once you look like you're off to the morgue, the next step is to take some eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone Instinct palette, and I'm going to be using this light color purple, and we're going to be doing some shading around our bone area. I'm sure I look like an idiot, but what I'm doing is I'm moving my body so I can see where my indents are in my collarbone, and that's where I'm taking the color and shading. I'm also kind of grabbing this second color and mixing it with the light purple. I'm also taking this light color shade as my eyeshadow. Okay. Next, I'm going to take this purple shade and I'm going to mix, I think, a little bit of black, and we're going to fill in our eyebrows. I think I'll try the next shade down. Yeah, so now I'm taking this white body paint like on the tip, and I'm just kind of dabbing it over and then using my finger to blend it out. I think that looks pretty cool. Next, I have this Mayron cream makeup, and this is the Fantasy Effects, and what shade is it in? I'm not quite sure what shade it is, but it's like a metallic silver. So I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit, like really, like not even that much, and I'm gonna like kind of dab it on my nose and my Cupid's bow, just to make it look a little more frosty. Because we've been left out in the snow. And I'll put a little as like a highlight. And you can even put some on the top of your collarbone here. Blend it into the darker shade. Okay, and then the next thing we have is I'm going to be taking some monk fruit sweetener. This is just the granulated kind. I'm going to be dipping my fingers into some water and then into the sugar, and then I'm going to place it on my face. I hope I don't get ants. Kind of making it like more chunky in places. Then when I go to wash this off, it'll be like a sugar scrub. Exfoliation at its finest. Yes, special effects. The last step that we're gonna do is I am going to, well, it's like one of the last steps. I hope this doesn't fall off my lips. Let's see. I'm gonna take a little bit of white face paint and I'm gonna put some on my eyelashes. I'm actually going to take a spoolie and dip it in the water and then put it into my face paint. I feel the sugar falling off of my face. So I think what I'm gonna do is spray some like barrier spray. I have some Mayron barrier spray and we'll see if this like wets it to hold it. Okay, that feels a little better, but now I have white under my eyes. I'm also lightly misting my face with water as well. Next is the hair. I'm gonna be taking some hair gel, making my hair crunchy. gonna take that white and put it around my hair. And then run my fingers through it. So this is pretty much the finished look. I think it looks really cool. I think I look frozen. I think I look cold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.